Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I just wanted to share some memory Dex cards I've been working on for some fellow YouTubers. And I love making memory Dex cards, and I know I'm not going to get them in the mail to them in time. Well, one of them I know for sure. I'm not going to get it in on time, but I wanted to make something for her. Her name is Maka, and I'll have her link down below. Um, her YouTube channel is Maka's Home, and she is from Hawaii. And I heard or I saw Sherry's video of what she created for her channel, and I immediately went over there to check her out. And she always greets everybody with a shaka, and that is something that everybody does in Hawaii. We, you know, it's a gesture of saying what's up, how you doing, and she's just so funny. Well, she's not funny. She's just, she reminds me of home. And she's living in Arizona, and I wanted to make her a memory Dex card because that's what she was asking. Um, so I printed out a bunch of these gorgeous girl images that I got off of Pinterest, and I resized them and printed them out on my printer, and this was one of the images that I used on her card. So what I did was I cut them out with my handy dandy scissors. It's a Fiskars what do you call these? Decorated scissors. Oh my god. Okay, and I trimmed it and I inked them with my Distress inks. I added a piece of lace. This paper, oops, got my information on the back. This paper is from a Victorian Valentine's, but I don't think you have to use this for Valentine's Day because it has some really cool images, and I love these images that you could use for whatever. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. So I used, again, my lace that I love to use on flat surfaces. I added some crochet trim from my stash and some flat back pearls. These were little snippets of lace that I made into a fan, and I added some silk roses from my stash. And then this is a bow that I made for a Valentine's Day card, but it was too big for it, and I made another one and used that on my memory Dex card. Here's a fabric ticket that I've gotten from Michael's a long time ago. I have several of these that I want to use up, and I'm using them. Some more flat back pearl, and here's a metal key charm that I added there. So this is going to be going to Maka, and I hope you like it, Maka. I'm going to send this off soon because I've been holding it to make you a card, and I'm going to be making several cards for a couple people. So that is one memory Dex card, and I'm going to put that there. Then I made a second memory Dex card, and this is for Cheryl's Crafty World here on YouTube. Hey, Charlene! She is a wonderful crafter, and you know, she crafts from her bed, but hey, girl, you craft wherever you want to craft because you can, and we love you for it. So I made her, she's having a birthday challenge, and I'll have her link down below as well. And I did all kinds of stuff to this memory Dex. And this is a Heidi Swap memory Dex die shape. Papers, yeah, these papers are from the same collection. I added some paper, what do you call it? Paper doily. I cut it into quarters and I made it into a pocket with that tag. This is an ephemera piece from my stash. It says brilliant. Here's an ephemera piece. Here is some paper, Prima paper flowers with a flat back pearl. Here's a clear button. You really can't see it that well with twine. I glued on it. Couple hearts and more flat back pearls. And I'm going to have my information on the back here. I'm going to send this off to her with a birthday card and some goodies. So I hope you like it, Charlene. So those are my two memory Dex cards that I've made for some friends. I hope everybody likes it. I'm crafting until I have to go to work on Friday. So wish me luck. And hopefully I'll do some more crafting on the weekend, and I'll be back with more crafty videos. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.